Hello and welcome or welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. Today we're making eggless cake on stovetop. Trust me, this cake turned out super good and I hope you're going to try this eggless cake after the video. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For recipe, I'll be using 200 grams of this margarine. This is 250 grams of margarine, but I won't be using all of this margarine, trust me. You can also use butter if that is what you have. Okay, now let's cream it a little bit for the margarine to become a little bit soft. And so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new followers right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after creaming the butter to perfection, I also go in with half cup of sugar. Kindly use icing sugar if that is what you have. Okay, now let's stir everything together very nicely until the sugar dissolves very well, and once that is done, we will proceed to our next stage. And if you're still with me and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go ahead and sift in some baking powder and also baking soda. These two ingredients is a must-have, so you don't have to omit it at all. Kindly note it. Now we're going to also sift in some all-purpose flour. You can also replace the all-purpose flour with some soft flour and you are good to go. Okay, and I'm using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And don't worry yourself, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out, so do check it out after the video. Now after sifting in the flour, all that is left is to stir everything together until all is nice and well combined. Alright, so after stirring everything together, let's go in with some evaporated milk. Kindly feel free to use any milk of your choice. Okay, let's also go in with some vanilla essence, which is about 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and the milk is also about 1.5 cup of milk. Kindly add in the milk according to how light or thick you want your cake to be. Okay, but this consistency was just perfect. Alright, so we're going to stir everything together very nicely, and from there we will proceed to our next stage. And also kindly make sure not to over mix your dough. It's very important. Okay, now let's mix everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. Now after mixing the dough, I'll set it aside and I'll move on to my baking place. Yes, on my oven on stovetop. I'm going to use my cooking pot, and as usual, I'll go in with some salt. You can use sand if that is what you want to use. Okay. Now let's cover it and allow it to preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And whilst our cooking pot is preheating, let's also drizzle a little bit of oil in our baking tray, which will help the cake come out very nicely after baking. Alright, so after doing this, I'll go in with my cake batter. Now you can also flour or dust your baking pan with some all-purpose flour or any flour that you have, and you are good to go. Okay, now let's go in with our cake batter and make sure to tap it on your working surface to make sure you don't have in any air. Okay, and once that is done, we will proceed to bake this cake on our stove top. Kindly use your oven or any other thing that can help you bake this cake very well. But for today, we are going to be baking a cake on our stove top. And after 10 to 15 minutes of preheating, the saucepan is very hot. Let's place in our cake. We're going to cover and allow it to bake on a very low heat until it's nice and ready. And after about 40 to 15 minutes, this is the outcome. It turned out really amazing and just perfect. And to make sure your cake is well cooked, make sure to insert in some stick, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. And when the stick comes out very clean, that means your cake is ready. Now all that is left is to allow this to cool down a little bit and remove it from our baking pan. And voila, that is done. All that is left is to enjoy this with any combo of your choice. Trust me, I did really enjoy myself, and I hope you're going to try this amazing recipe as well. All that is left is to trust the process. Trust me on this one. Just look at how soft and perfect this cake turned out. What are you waiting for? Just enter kitchen and prepare this your delicious cake for your family to also enjoy. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this vanilla sponge cake. I hope you're going to try, and I'll be glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.